Hello, I'm Dr. Tina Rae, and I'm delighted to be able to present at this year's annual SEBDA conference, which is going to be online. And I've been asked to deliver the opening keynote address. Obviously, the focus from my perspective is going to be around recovery and the need to ensure that our children and young people can engage fully in the school curriculum and in the social aspects of learning as they return completely over the next term into the school context. So the title of my presentation is called What Next? Beyond COVID Catch-Up, The Road to Recovery. I think the most important key message that I'm hoping to get across is the need for us to work away forwards in terms of ensuring children's recovery and mitigating against the current narratives around the need for catch-up academically. So I want to think about what I really mean by real COVID catch-up here, and thinking about the road to recovery for our children and young people, and the need primarily to ensure that we now connect, we ensure that they can feel a sense of soothing and nurture in the learning situation. And this rejection in psychological terms of any notion of academic catch-up is key and central to that. So I'm going to think about how we develop a whole school ethos of recovery and the ways in which we can effectively resource a recovery curriculum which is evidence-based and ensures this recognition of what I call the 3 R's, the rules, resources and rituals that are needed in order to build mental health and well-being now and ensure post-traumatic growth for many of our children at a whole school level. So ensuring relational safety, self-efficacy, connection and building hope. So I hope this will be an interesting and stimulating introduction, but also will really get you thinking about how we can all now engage in this process of recovery and be sure that it is something that is ongoing and that we can sustain this over time, mainly because I'm absolutely convinced that, of course, this pandemic is something that's going to be much longer term than sadly many of us originally thought. So I'm looking forward to this and hope that you'll join me and really get something from it too.